Hello, traders, and welcome back to FXGK. And on this video, guys, you know your boy have to bring it. It's been some time, but I know you guys still believe and trust in what I have to offer and what I can bring to the market. And I know you guys has been killing the market. So I'm just gonna do a market insight, guys, to show you guys that I'm still the king of the market insights, that nobody can ever take this place, or nobody can do it better than me. You can learn from me, but you're not gonna do it better than me. Because why? I'm also evolving every single time. So, as you guys can see, I still currently have an entry right there at this current moment, but forget about that right now. So let's just clean the charts, right, so you guys can understand why did I took this entry. So first and foremost, guys, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. Is your boy's goal for this year. I know for this year it's 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. So as you guys can see, the first and foremost thing that we gonna must do is to determine the trend of the market. We can see currently price is creating lower highs and lower lows, right? We can see also here we have a breakout structure right here. Just mark that. So you guys know there's a breakout structure for us. We can also mark out our supply demand zone, as you guys can see, right? We have a demand zone right there. Price was tapping into this, and there we can see also we have this change of character right here, and this is on a 4 hour time frame, guys. I'm gonna teach you guys this new strategy. It's not a new strategy. I've been using this strategy for a really long time right now. So as you guys can see, that price did create this higher high, and there we have a breakout of structure. Price retrace back, create this new lower low. So now we can also see that price did create also this order block just up here on our 4 hour time frame. So this is an area of interest that I most likely would love to target here on the volatility 75. So if we scale down to our 15-minute time frame right now, just to see how we could have approached this market on a better way, because I'm actually getting late into the market. But for me, that's okay right now, guys, because I'm already in profit. So as you guys can see right here, is that where's the stool? We can see price was starting slowly creating lower highs and lower lows. We're creating this lower low, and there we can see we have price back at this area. Reason why? Because why we have this structural area right here of our order block right here, where we can see price did come tap into. As you guys can see, price come tap into it, run down, was basically come and retest this structure. But if we scale to 5 minute, guys, to get that entry right here, I'm gonna show you guys right now how you guys could have taken advantage. So as you guys can remember, the first and foremost thing that I was basically telling you guys, first determine the trend of the market, and then you scale down to a lower time frame. So what we can see right here, guys, we have this order block right here, and we can also see that price, excuse me, price also break and change character right here, right? We can see price change character right here, and we could have taken entry right from this reason and keep our stop just above this reason, just in case price would change direction. So now we could have just target this reason right here. But as you guys can see, I did took an entry right here. There was a simple trading setup. We have a breakout and a retest. As you guys can see, we have this breakout in there. We have this retest. So now we can expect price to come tap into uh let me just do this zone on our 5 minute. This is going to be an area of interest for us, for price to come tap into for intraday market, for intraday price action. Sorry, guys, it's been some time. That's why I have to get used to talking on a microphone again, because I didn't produce in a few months. But for my real followers and subscribers, they know when once I'm producing, guys, they know I'm bringing value to the table. So if price aside, let me just scale up to my 30 minutes quickly, guys. Let me just show you something, a key bit as well, right? This is 75, if you're just wondering. So if we can see right now on this marker, let me just remove this and this and this, and let me bring this thing down right here. All right, so what we could expect expect is that if price decide now to reverse right back to this area and take price all the way to the downside, that will be also a better entry. That is why I have my stop loss just above this area of resistance, as you guys can see. Because why is this area resistant? Previously we can see price come down, respect this area as area of support, break out of it, and there we can see price run to it, take out of all of this liquidity that was laying up there, run to the downside, retest this area of resistance, and there we can see we have this impulsive phase now to the downside. So what I would love to do, guys, is to keep my trade right. I already have an entry in this position right now. So if price decide to continue to the upside, right, to take out this liquidity is laying up here, then we can expect price to come to this 13 minutes order block just up here, right? Then we can expect price to take this direction here to the downside, guys. So this is it for this market insight and breakdown video, guys. I just have to break out of this curse and just say fuck it, let me just do it. So that is why I'm producing and bring you guys new videos every single day. And from now on, guys, let's go and let's hit that 1,000 subscribers. It's your boy FXGK, and welcome back to the family, guys. Peace out.